Good day, dear employers. My name is RG Adora Panganiban from Philippines. I am 39 years old. I am married and have two daughters, ages 14 and 18. I have work experience in Saudi for 2 years as nanny and 6 years in Qatar as all-around helper. I can do all the household chores with minimal supervision. I can cook and follow instructions for the new recipes. And also I can be playful with the kids. And I am a very hardworking person. I am loving and caring. I can do also tutoring as I took up second year level in college. My course is Bachelor of Elementary Education. I am looking forward to work in your house. Thank you and God bless.